all the values. See now, whatever the visual, earlier it was this one. Now I've just selected the visual and I've selected again the other one. So based on the other selection, the other visual selection, it will be changed accordingly. Now it is a matrix. Matrix again is a cross tab where we see in any other BI tool, like when we wanted to see the rows and columns, and again you can interchange them whatever we want, and we can see some aggregated values for the values we are going to see for the column headers and row headers we have, and the respective the aggregation values we can see. This is the matrix. But again in the matrix, the same options, the values. Okay, we have the rows and columns here. These are the row headers, these are the column headers, and these are the values. Now I have taken the field mask curves. By default it will show some aggregation. If you don't want to see any sum, we can just also change the count here, whatever. And you can see in the table there is no some rows and columns, they are just values. But here we have something called rows and column. So this is all based on the visual, only few options changes, and again the same visual level filters, page level filters, report level filters remain same, and drill to remain same. And if I take any other like pie chart, donut chart, again these options may change or may not change, and rest everything will be same. Now here in the matrix we have something called let me just take only one row for now, film name. Now let me increase the size. Now earlier we have increased the column header size and row header size. Now we have two different things. One is called row header and column header. Let me increase the size of this. And similarly let me go to the column headers. I think we have 12 and the values. Okay, already values are bold. Okay, no need to change anything. So this is a normal matrix. If I'm just seeing the count of Oscar wins with respect to film name and the country name, this is a normal thing. Let's say I want to add one more value. I want to see furthermore data like country name, like again film name or film language. Here is again ID. To the language name. Now, whenever I drag any value, whenever any additional value in the row, you can see there are 4 options are displayed here. These can be used for drilling down. We have something called drill down reports and drill through report SSRS. Similarly, drill through option we have here. There is no specific drill through reports. This drill through option have, and drill down there is no specific reports. Drill down, however, we are going to enable in a matrix or there by enable grouping in SSRS. Similarly, whenever we have any additional rows here, we can have drill down option automatically enabled. So to enable that, this is something called click to turn on drill down. If we just click, we need to first enable this drill down. So based on that, we have two options. One is go to next level and go to all levels. It means now I have film name and language name, and for the both I'm just seeing the count of Oscar wins for the countries. Now let's take the other level. Now this is the other level. Other level means now we are seeing film name. If I click on this one, it will go to the language. That is the other level, because we have only two levels here, film name and language name. And if I want to go to the earlier one, the film name, we have to click on this drill up button. If you drill up, it will go to the earlier one. If you drill down, it will go to the other one. Let's say I want to see all at once, irrespective of the hierarchies whatever I defined. I want to see everything. If I click on the fourth option, expands all down one level in hierarchy, we can see for this film, the film name is English. For this, the film name is English. I think we have only one language for all the films. I just want to make you understand like how this drill down works. That's why I've taken this one. Okay, let me take something else. Now again, this is third again. Now everything, let me delete this one. Now go to second level. Yeah, now you see 12. Okay, anything again, for every film only one certificate can be given, right? We cannot even see here. Okay, so this is how this drill down works. You got it right? Like how can we, because this is what where we can enable this drill down. Now we can see drill mode is on. Click a data point to drill. Now drill mode is on. We can just drill up or drill down, or completely we can see whenever we want to see all the data. I mean all the hierarchies. Now here we are seeing film name and the respective certificate name and the count of the Oscars based on the countries. This is how this matrix works. And for again, for the matrix also there is something called formatting options. We will discuss, because formatting options 99% everything are same. Only the very first value, I mean the fields, some it may differ, but the values everything are same, and the order may differ. Now you see the general whatever we are seeing, it is at the top for this one, and for few other visuals the general may come at the bottom, but the functionality is remains same, nothing differs. Now let me take, yes Alam.
Yeah, so when you do the hierarchy drill down, so once the development is completed, this will be available for customers and the
Yes,
one
yes,
after the drill down.
but we have to, yeah, this options will be available for the customer as well. But if we want to show them directly, what we have to do is we have to just drill down everything at the lowest level data, and we have to save this report and have to publish. Or we have to educate them. Okay, we have something called drill down option here. If you want to enable drill down, just click on this. Like whatever, I mean, we have to educate them to enable drill down. We have to just click on this, and again, these are the two options we have. If they don't, if you don't know anything about this, and if they want to see all the data, by default, let's click on this everything. Like sorry, just click on the last one. It will be the lowest level data. The same data we have to save and we have to publish. Then the report will be looks like this.
But can we customize this hierarchical things button?
No, the hierarchy is again based on the fields whatever we choose here. See, based on the film name and certificate name only is hierarchy defense. If you don't want, you can just remove this and you can add any new one here.
I mean, can we make it any button to click friendly mode to make it as a report? For example, any report guy or anyone want to see the report, they don't know how to go to drill down. But if we can make any button, just click for
No,
next.
no, no. This is the only way. This is the only way actually.
Okay.
In the matrix, we have to go and we have to enable the drill down. There is no other go. Now see, there is, if you have only one value, there is no drill down option here, because there are no other values to drill down. It is only one. So if you enable more than one, then only this option is available, and we have to educate them to use. If not, just simple, just make everything visible like this, and just save and publish. You can also see the same data.
Okay.
After we publish a report,
Yes, Lakshmi.
after we publish any report, so when the customer views the report, is it something like Excel, or will he
No,
need?
it is not Excel again. It is the same. Whatever we are seeing here, the page 1, page 2, page 3, the same report only are going to publish. The same only he is going to see. But he cannot edit the report. He can just
Okay.
see the report, and even we can give him the, I mean, credentials. I mean, we can give him the privileges to edit the report. But generally, we don't. If something they want to edit, they have to come back to us, and we are going to edit something whatever they require, and again we are going to republish and replacing the file. That is how it works.
Okay. So they still need to have the Power BI to view the
Yes,
report?
yes,
Oh,
they
okay.
need to have the licensing, Power BI Pro license, and they have to sign in with the credentials to see the report. But again,
Oh,
that differs. I think after 3 days, or I mean, whenever we are done with this report development and formatting, we'll be starting the Power BI service. That time, I will tell whether we really require the Pro license or not. Because in general, for now, if someone want to see the reports in Power BI, they require a Pro license. Okay.
okay.
So this is one thing, and again, let me take some other. pie chart or whatever, to just copy, Control C, Control V, and this is a pie chart. This is a pie visual. So everything is same. Like whatever the data we have, we can just change the